Hello guys, Rob here. Have you heard of this new coin on EOS, Ecoin? The world's biggest and simplest free crypto giveaway. So they are doing an airdrop right now, and they say they have acquired 1.5 million plus users in just 22 days. And you can see the number up here all the way up to almost 1.9 million now. So I'll leave the link to the airdrop in the description. All you need is an email. But are these numbers legit? Look, checking out the site on alexa.com, which gives you traffic stats. They're just under the 17,000th most popular website with an average of 177,000 daily unique visitors, making almost 1 million daily page views. So the traffic to their website is suggesting those could be legitimate numbers for the amount of users, amount of airdrop signups they have. And it's real big in Venezuela, which we all know their current currency situation. So it makes sense that a lot of Venezuelans are jumping on board and getting their free airdrop. It is a coin on EOS. Ecoin is a token based on EOS blockchain, which Ecoin also supports smart contracts and simple English-based usernames, which average users are used to. And it is already trading on an exchange. It is on Probit right now. I'm still not sure what to make of this. If these numbers are legit, that's just insane. And they have the traffic stats using a tool like Alexa to back up those numbers. So I got in on the airdrop. All you need to do is provide an email. You know, there's no harm in getting free tokens. So I'll leave the link to the airdrop in the description below. Here's a quick look at the dashboard. EOS wallet details. You can connect your EOS wallet. But yeah, link to the airdrop in the description. Check it out. There's no harm in getting free tokens, right? And on another note, there was talk about this from the Ecoin team about moving to Telos. So if you want to pick up your free Telos account, check out the link in the description to this page where you can get your free Telos account here for desktop, mobile, or using the Telegram bot and read up on some features of the Telos EOSIO blockchain. But that's it for this one, guys. Again, link in the description if you want to get your 750 free coins. I'll see you guys in the next one.